All right, in order to make a spatula, first thing you do is get your piece of wood. I have this nice thin little piece of wood. It's probably between 3/8 and 1/4. Not very wide. So now I'm going to sketch out what I want it to look like. I don't know how long that's not gonna work. Nor is that. Hey, there we go, that don't work. So now I'm gonna sketch this out. I want it kind of I don't know if I even want it that wide. I might make it down here and then give it a handle. I'm just sketching, friends. I don't want it too narrow. Maybe I don't even want it that long. I don't know. It probably doesn't even need to be that long. Maybe like this. And actually, now that I'm doing this, I might actually take and just cut that as good as I can with my coping saw. And I might actually take this and make a little spoon out of it too. You can't even see that, can you? Okay, so there we go. I have my spatula kind of drawn out here, and I might take this remainder piece and make just a little spoon out of it. All right, I got her cut out. I don't like the shape of this side as much, so I might go ahead and do a little bit more here. All right, there we go. I got my shape that I want. Now I'm going to sand the handle, and I'm gonna file the edge to give me an angle here. All right, so I have an angle on here now. Now I'm just gonna file or sand the rest of the handle, and I actually have a decent little spatula. Probably not great for picking up pancakes, but it should be pretty good for stirring around scrambled eggs and maybe getting underneath those. So let's sand it, see how she turns out. All right, friends, so there we go. It's nice and smooth. I could take that angle down a little bit more, and I might do that. But this is just a super easy little project for students to do something when they finish with a big project, or just as a little gift. It's kind of nice to have a couple of these, maybe a wooden spoon. Like I said, I'll probably take the scrap and make just a little wooden spoon out of this, but that's for another video. So make sure you work hard, friends, because hard work is its own reward. And enjoy your wooden spatula while you're making your eggs. Thanks for watching.